me see that.
Oh, we better go. Get your toes in it.
I know, that's alright. Just make.
Dad said it's not the dog's fault. He's blaming me because I didn't put it on the toilet days.
Yeah.
Yeah, good point. Just like that.
Oh well. What are you guys doing tomorrow?
Flying for St. Patty's Day.
Yeah.
I think you guys.
Yeah.
It's good for pizza, but tomorrow, just throw a corned beef and cabbage in a crock pot.
So that's it?
Yeah, we need to do that too. Before we go in the morning.
Yeah. I was trying to spend my gift cards.
It's so cool you did that. I'm glad.
Use an in-store kind of gift card.
That's kind of a bummer. Didn't hear when you were here.
I know. I should just send you guys the number, and maybe you could use it. Yeah.
Did you use store when I just first opened?
No, I think I found it. And
When it 2 years ago, last year, it was Spawn. You ever heard of him?
no.
You did good not taking pictures of him because I would have never known that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it was nice.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it was way awesome. Alright.
So proud of you. I'm glad you're picking up new habits and trying new things.
Yeah, we're trying.
Oh, I like that. Just sharing is caring.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I'm really proud of you. It's not easy.
Yeah, tomorrow will be.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, thanks. Bye, Ma.